It is your Friday invitation from me to join me in just a little while because we have so much wonderful stuff to show you today, y'all. Not to mention we just have gobs of beautiful flowers. Y'all, we have a new set. And when I say a new set, I mean you just won't even believe it. It's a whole wall of just allowing us to show y'all more stuff and to do it in a better way, and super excited. So if you don't know about our Friday show, we do a live show every Friday at 12 noon Eastern time inside my phone app, which is totally free. You just go to your phone's app store and download it, because in the app, the experience is so much better. You can actually build favorites lists. You can comment and carry on with the other people viewing, as well as you can enter the giveaway. And guess what I'm giving away today, y'all? I am giving away one of my cut flower handbooks, and it's actually signed by myself as well as Jessie, who made contributions to the book. And anyway, it's just going to be a really special day. We're celebrating American Flowers Week. We'll be talking about that and just why that should be so important to anybody that loves flowers, and how you can actually be a part of that yourself. So 12 noon Eastern time, and you know, the whole point of the show is to really highlight and show our weekly harvest here from my flower farm. And that's the love part for me. It's like being able to cut our flowers and show y'all what's blooming, when, and how it looks. And so we have a lot of that going on today. We're going to show you some, as well as I share some of the tools, seeds, and supplies. Just think QVC, y'all, but with me, with the stuff that I use, right? So join me at 12 noon Eastern time, and we're going to have a great show today because Jessie is here with us, as well as Susie, Kelly, and Suzanne. We're going to be making, Suzanne is going to make 5 speed bouquets to show y'all how to quickly make gorgeous bouquets in just minutes, 5 of them. And so we have a lot going on. So join me, go to your phone's app, or you can just comment app here, y'all, APP, and I'll DM you the link. Or you can go to your phone's app store. So join me at 12 noon, and if you don't know about, or have forgotten about, or not sure about, tomorrow is our once-a-year open farm here in Newport News, Virginia, June 29th. And we are so ready for y'all. We have vacuumed and mowed the grass. What else do we need, right? And cleaned the bathrooms, and the garden is beautiful. So hope you're going to join us, and join me for the live show. It is free to get the app, and the experience is just over the top, y'all. So see you at 12 noon Eastern time. I'm going to gobble down a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and then see y'all on the flip side at 12 noon. Ciao.